Today we'll take a look at Akeeyo Z3GT dash camera, an unboxing and review. Please see links in the description for more information or where to get it. It comes with 3 cameras, front, rear, and a side camera which can be used inside as well, and a 5.5-inch IPS screen, including a 32GB memory card and a hardwire kit, and it records in 1080p. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. You have your display screen, user manual in English and Japanese, side camera, your rear camera, your front camera, display stand, your GPS unit, 12-volt power adapter, rubber hose for wiring, extension cable, rear camera bracket, and wiring tool. Here's everything you get in the box. You can even buy one more camera unit to add a 4th channel. The display screen is a 5.5-inch IPS monitor, fully touch screen, has 5 manual buttons on the side, comes already with a 32GB memory card. It can take up to 256GB card. The wiring is already prepared, labeled Cam 1, Cam 2, and Cam 3. You'll connect the unmarked cord with the 12-volt power adapter. Then connect the front camera with the cord marked Cam 1. And connect the rear camera with cord marked Cam 2. Very easy and simple. Connect a side camera with cord marked Cam 3, and all your cameras are connected and ready to go. Now you just need to power it on, and I'll be using Goal Zero's Yeti 150 portable power supply to mimic a car startup. These units are great and convenient for portable power on the go when you need it. It has a 12-volt socket, 2 USB ports, an AC socket. Check the links in the description if you're interested for more information or where to get one. They're great for camping or when you're on the go in places where you don't have access to power. So once you plug it in and you turn on the power, the unit will start up right away and begin recording automatically. Now there are 5 buttons on the side. The first button is for record on and off. Just press it once to start, once again to stop. Second button is to take a photo. The third button is to toggle view mode. You can see one dedicated camera or all 3 of them in the same time. The fourth button is playback mode, so you can look at your files and play back whichever videos you want to see. And the 5th button is for GPS, so you can check your speed and direction. Once more I'll show you as I go through all 5 buttons. Or you can simply use a touch screen. The gear icon is to access the settings. The far left button is to start recording and stop. You've got your playback button, so you can play back your files. You have your photo button, which will take a snapshot or a photo. You have your toggle button, so you can choose which camera to view in the display, if you want to view just 1, 2, or all 3. At this point I didn't have the side camera plugged in yet. You have your file lock and unlock button. This will protect the recording. You have your mute and unmute button if you don't want to record audio in your video. Now we'll quickly take a look at the system settings. You have loop recording. You can choose 1, 2, 3 minute segments. Your AV standard, NTSC or PAL. Choose if you want your AV to be a 4th channel or just AV in. Locked and loop recording, emergency record, parking monitor. This requires you to hardwire your kit. Your G sensor settings, parking aid, screen brightness, screensaver time, your language. Voice recording on and off, volume level, if you want boot sound on or off, mirror setting, how you want your channels to be oriented on the screen, light source, you can set the date, got GPS, speed units in kilometers an hour, miles per hour, time zone selection, display mode, what you want it to show, format, which you should format the memory card the first time you use it, system info. On the back of the unit, you'll have 2 plugs, one for GPS and AV in. Make sure you connect the GPS unit. This will make sure it can record your speed and direction. And then install the mounting bracket. Just slide it in place until it clicks. You can twist the knob to tighten and loosen it, adjust it to your desired position. And now we'll take a look at some footage. You got your front camera indoors and the rear camera indoor. You have your side camera, which can also be used for a cabin camera. Nighttime shots, front and rear. And a side camera. Got your front camera in the daytime. And rear camera at the daytime. Side camera at the daytime. You can face it forward or in the back. Inside camera in the daytime. Side camera again can be used for a cabin camera if you want. The side camera also has the ability to be used as a turn assist camera, which means it'll display the side camera when you're turning. The rear camera can also function at parking assist. The hardwire kit is already included, so you can have it installed to connect directly to your car battery to provide constant power, even when your car is shut off. This is a really versatile unit. Comes already as a 3-channel dash camera with 3 cameras, front, rear, and side, or inside the cabin if you choose. And there's the option to add a 4th channel, a 4th camera, using the AV port, so you can actually have side cameras on both the right and left side of your car. Along with the 5.5-inch IPS display screen, which is a fully touch screen, it makes for using it very easy and friendly. 3 channels allows you to cover more area for security and your protection. So if you're in the market looking for a dash camera for your car, and looking for the versatility of having 3 cameras up to 4 to cover all areas and all angles, then take a look at the Akeeyo Z3GT. You can check the links below for more information about the product. I'll also post some of the accessories you can get. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. If this helps anyone out there, I hope you can give a like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. So until next time.